So in our table of contents on page F3, today is absolute value introduction. So absolute value, it has these great big bars on it. It is a number's distance from zero. It is always positive as a distance. It doesn't matter if you run north 5 miles or run south 5 miles. You have run 5 miles. So the distance from -3 to 0 on the number line is 3. Likewise, the distance from 2 on the number line is 2. When you are evaluating absolute value functions, you want to treat the bars like parentheses, which means you do the math inside first. So we're going to complete a function table here for these values. I have pre-filled it in. I am just going to pop in the values right here. X is 1, X is 2, X is 3, 4, and 5. Again, do the math inside first. So you have 2 outside. 1 take away 3 is -2. But that is, the absolute value of -2 is 2. So 2 times 2 is 4. Evaluating for x equals 2, again, do the math inside first. So now you have 2 minus 3, that's -1. But the absolute value of -1 is +1. So it becomes 2 times 1, which is 2. Now, 3 minus 3 is 0, and the absolute value of 0 is 0. So 2 times 0 is 0. 2 times the absolute value of 4 minus 3, which is 1, and the absolute value of 1 is 1. And 2 times the absolute value of 5 minus 3, which is 2. And 2 times 2 is 4. You're going to see a pattern here if you are getting to pick points around the vertex. I'm going to expand this out. This is graphing the parent function for absolute value. It's going to look a little differently than anything we've graphed before. So first fill out the table. The absolute value of -3 is 3. The absolute value of -1 is 1. The absolute value of 0 is 0. And the absolute value of 1 is 1. And the absolute value of 3 is 3. So when we go and plot these points, I'm going to start at the origin. I'm going to go left 3 and up 1, 2, 3 for my first point. My second point, I'm going to start at the origin. I'm going to go left 1, up 1. My third point is at the origin itself. And now here's an unexpected. My fourth point for this graph is 1, 1. So I'm going to go right 1, up 1. My last point is 3, 3, which means I'm going to go right 3, 1, 2, 3, and up 1, 2, 3. And you'll notice that these points do not make a straight line. Absolute value equations do not form a straight line. You have 2 bars. The turning point of the absolute value bars right here is referred to as the vertex. And that's your introduction to absolute value.